Here we can see the AC technicians removing the unit. Why? Because we did the roof and it has been leaking ever since. We've been there multiple times and this unit is not longer being used. So what's doing is causing a problem. We lifting the unit. After that, we're gonna get our guys to remove the curb and patch the roof. That's what we're doing there, taking the heavy curb out because we don't need it anymore. We're gonna patch it. They should have done this since the beginning after we did the renovation. What we're doing now is securing the edge with plates to weld the TPO around the edge. We're going to glue it in the middle and then weld the perimeter of this TPO. There's the insulation filler because it was a divot in where the unit was. So that's why we put insulation, secure that insulation with plates and screws as they recommend, manufacturer recommendation. We're cutting the TPO. So what we do is we pull, there's fiberglass, and we pull the fiberglass and then creates a line so we can follow to cut the TPO. We do that, it makes it so much easier, and then we use the hook blade to cut it. We just got to follow that line. So there's two pieces, so we cut in the second piece of TPO, real easy. And now it's time to go up on the roof and start laying the TPO. We laid the TPO and then we got to start gluing. So you see right there was a hole that we found. So now you can see how it's cleaner. He's doing the cleaning to weld the TPO. That's one of the advantages of TPO. You can clean it and weld it and patch it even though it's old. We're using this air web glue. It looks like a spider web. That's why we're covering with a piece of plywood so it doesn't go over where we have to weld and gonna cost more work to clean that. So that's why we're using that piece of plywood, just to make sure the glue doesn't fly all over the place, keep it clean. This is a contact glue. It's real easy, it's real fast, makes the job so much easier. We're stamping on that piece, just making sure that contact glue does the job. So we do one half now, we follow the other half as we're doing the other half. You see how we're cleaning the TPO, making sure it's nice and clean so we can weld the new TPO. And at the same time, we're doing the glue on the other side. So we're just trying to get done as quick as possible and efficient as possible. This glue makes our life so much easier. Like right there, I'm holding the glue and now we're welding. This is a motion where you got to use both hands different direction. You see the roller is back and forth and then you're pulling the gun backwards a little bit. So what we're doing now is tacking and followed by the weld. You see the weld motion. It's really, not everybody could do it because you got to use your hands independently. And just welding around. Normally we use the machine to do that, but this was not that big. After we do the weld, we'll go ahead and test it with this special hook, just making sure if it gets stuck, then we know it's not a good weld. We can go back, hit it again, put a patch on it, make sure it's 100%. Now we've almost 100% finished. This job was a headache because this unit was leaking. Thank God they decided to close it and we're almost done. So if you like this type of videos, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.